We're here today at Podhole Farm, Thorney, Peterborough. About 18 months ago we wanted to go down the variable rate route. We were originally Omnia Connect with our Vadstad Rapid drill, which worked really well. We then invested in a Horsch CO6 and we couldn't make it variable rate through the old Horsch box.
And we thought that there was potentially a way that we could actually build a kit to actually take an existing drill that couldn't do variable rate and for relatively low cost convert it into a variable rate machine.
We've worked closely with Omnia to design a unit where you can unbolt your land wheel and bolt a separate motor on.
We quickly then took that from a kind of initial concept stage to actually being able to use it in the field, and we managed to drill our first field within a few days. We then tested that on a number of different farms last autumn, and that has worked very well, and we're now in a position that we can offer it to the market.
So the experience from when we started this process 18 months ago, it's been enjoyable, it's been creative. We've had a few hiccups at the start of the process and we've chopped and changed them, and now we have a system which allows us to be more cost effective, more profitable over the farm, and allows us to change our seed rates for various conditions throughout the fields.